I'm going to start record now. Start.
Okay. Hi everybody, this is from MIC Bikes. Today I'm going to show you how to build a bike MIC track pack from individual parts to ready to ship.
Yeah.
So,
How can you fast? How many minutes you take to build one bike? Yeah, we calculate.
We will start from the drop off.
Yeah, I will start the stopwatch. This one.
Yeah, you can start whatever you want.
So did you start now?
Yeah,
I'm starting the stopwatch now. It started.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, let's see.
Here's the drop out.
So this is a new stock.
Yeah, this is a very fantastic track frame.
Yeah.
So this is the first time I post the video to YouTube, so a bit nervous.
It's going 1 minute.
And these two bolts is for the chain tension. So this design for the single speed or track back.
So they can make it tight and or loose.
Yeah, it's much easier when you adjust the wheel balance. So I'm building a 53 frame, by the way.
53 frame.
Yeah, 53, size 53 from the center of the bottom bracket to top of the seat. These small parts will take some time. Yeah, next we'll fill the bottom bracket. That's very important. So you need to put some grease in here and here to protect the thread in case of damage. So this is a bottom bracket. So we must make it in the center of the line, otherwise this will damage the thread. That's a big problem. Yeah. So we're using this too. So normally when you tie the bottom bracket, you tie the drive side first, then tie the other side.
The other side. Is there any special reason you tied drive side first?
No, my habit.
Your habit. So normally one bike you take 20 minutes per bike ready to ship.
I just to build the bike as good I can. I don't care how long it takes. So that's the crankset, 4080. Put the boots on. And then tighten them. Then we'll fit the fork and headset. This is a fork. We're using a carbon fork and aluminium steering tube. So this is too long for the head tube, so we need to cut it. And,
So you cut it now.
yeah.
Wow,
There you go. Right in the box.
Wow, that's pretty quick. And after cut the
And,
part right in the boxes.
And we need to make the edge smooth. Yeah, then we need to fit the star nuts. So for the arrow steer tube, you can use this kind of star nuts. But if your steering tube is carbon, you need to use this one.
So carbon is much expensive.
Of course.
That the special part need to put in, and the weight is much lighter than aluminum.
No, it's but this kind of star nuts will damage the carbon tube, so don't use it in the carbon. And the headset, that's the bearing. Top bearing. This stem actually is a decline stem. So if I fit this stem in this way, when I pack it, it will scratch the frame. So if I pack it, I flip it in this way. So when you assemble the bike, you can change it, you can flip it. It's very easy.
So that is the opposite way.
Yeah.
So you put the manual when you ship it out.
What do you mean?
You mean that if the people who bought this bike and they assemble like in that condition, and that will make some problem.
And
in it.
also, I won't fit the front brake caliper. It will also damage the frame, so I leave it so the buyer can fit it themselves. So we fit the wheels. That is a flip-flopper, so one side fixed gear and one side is for the single speed. If you want to ride like single speed, just flip it. That's the speed.
That's good. So at the first, you put it like in a single speed, no, fixed gear
Yeah.
condition,
Yes.
and then the customer can change
Yeah.
whatever they
That's
like.
the chain. That's the PMZ SL710. It's a very good chain. It's very strong for the fixed gear, but a bit noisy. It's too long, so we need to cut it. I used the Park 2 chain cutter. This one. So I just cut 2.5 links. It all depends on your frame. Just and this is the link of the chain.
That is exactly the same color.
Yes, this will make the bike it looks better. Yes. And now we can use these bolts to adjust the tension of the chain. It's very easy. Just screw it. So for the fixed gear, you cannot make the tension is too tight or too loose. Just to make sure about 1 centimeter up and up, up and down. Still loose, we need to keep tightening it. Yeah, now it's much better. And tie the bolts. So you need to balance it. You just you can't make it one side too tight and one side, then finish the one side and do the other. You should balance both of the sides. Tight bit and this tight bit, and then tight both of them. Yeah. So that's almost done. We just need to pack it and attach the front wheel on the bike. Then we can put in the box and attach the other parts on the bike. We can ship it. Here's
That's
some
good.
packing materials here. So I used to pack in the other way, this way. And we pack the down tube first. Chain the fork this side, and I like to use the cable tie to feed the stamp, to fix the stamp here, so in case of the damage of the fork, just in case. And now we attach the front wheel on the bike. So we need to put the left arm in the gap of the spokes.
So this is the packing condition, and then once they receive this bike, they put the only thing they put is just put in the heel in the front, and then put it handlebar and saddle.
I will show you guys in the next video for how to assemble a complete bike.
Okay. This goes 16 minutes now.
15 minutes.
16 now.
16.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. So you need to fit the front wheel very tight on the bike. Otherwise, during the packing, the wheel maybe scratch the frame. That's not the thing we expect. So one here. This is too short. So we need extra two for that. Yeah, that's all done. We just need to put the protector on the boat. Then we can put in the box.
Wow.
Thanks for watching.
All done. It's 17 minutes you spent per bike.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thanks and